Hi, little one.
Is that the little guy? He just faked you out.
He did fake me out. He was like, oh, I'll take it. No, I won't.
He's like,
You
I'm
want
not
a
gonna.
carrot?
He looks smaller now.
You look sad, like a grumpy old man. You want this? Yeah. You want a carrot?
He's trying to show you that he wants peanuts. Try the other thing. Try the other thing, Kelly.
Just put that right there for a second. Do you like these?
You want a little turd?
No, he likes peanuts.
Kelly is very disappointed.
Oh, there he goes.
Where's the little monkey? Tell the little monkey to come back. Big monkey.
There he is over there. Come here.
Alright, how are we gonna steal these monkeys? That's the question now.
You look pretty secure.
Oh! He just
Oh,
got
he
out.
went up in that little box. Oh, now he goes down the little box.
Trying to get away from us.
Oh, now this guy goes down. Oh, he's scratching. Look at him go. Look at him.
He's scratching?
He took the peanut and like went like this and like dropped it on the ground and then like stuck it back in his mouth. Oh my gosh. Hello. Oh. Is it good?
Oh my god.
I want a monkey so bad.
You can double fist?
No, hold on.